What's up guys, welcome back to another NDesigns video, and I'm Nadine. So if you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're old, already a subscriber, welcome back. So in today's video we are doing a very exciting video. We are going to do a DIY Louis Vuitton cap. So I'm very excited to do that. But before we get into this video, please remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you can get notifications every time I post a video. So let's go. Okay, so what you want to do is you are going to open your design space and upload the image that you want to use. I actually was lucky enough to find this design on the internet, which I will link in the description below so that you guys can use it as well. So I've already uploaded and let's go. So for the purpose of this video, I'm actually gonna do a test. I want to use one sheet of Cricut vinyl and see if I am able to cover the whole head. So let's try that. Okay, so I'm gonna do a block. 27.5. so that I can make sure that my design fits on my entire mat. Let's move that to the front. Let's just make that white. Okay, actually let's make this 28 by 28. Okay, it is in front. Let's see. Looks like it's going to fit perfectly, but I think I'm just gonna make it 27 proportionately just to be 100% sure. So now, because the hat that I'm going to use is pink, I am going to do a pink and white design, so I'm just going to use white vinyl. Alright. And for the purpose of this, I'm going to use my Cricut Explore Air 2. I'm just going to go ahead and delete the block. Right, so we're going to go and make it. Alright, so that will fit perfectly. We can actually go a little bit bigger, so let's go back and make it 28. Alright. I'm so excited for this project. There we go, perfect. Now we just need to remember to mirror because we are doing iron on vinyl. So for this video I'm actually going to use the Cricut iron on vinyl, and I'm going to use this white color. So let's go. Shiny side down, and my green mat is actually not sticky anymore, so I'm just gonna tape it down. Okay, so as you guys can see, this Cricut iron on vinyl really reads super easy, and it's just amazing. It's so easy. But I'm not scared that I'm gonna tear any of my designs. Everything is just coming out perfect. Would you look at that? So pretty. Okay, so we've got our design, so we need to obviously cover as much as we can. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do, let's see, okay, I'm gonna cut it so that it's easier for us to work with it. So this is the end result of the cap. I think it looks very awesome. As you can see, it was definitely a little bit of a challenge to do, but as you guys can see, it is definitely possible to do a complete cap, and I am very happy with the outcome. I think it came out very good. Yeah, so I definitely try something like this again, but not soon. It did take a little bit of time, but yeah, I think it came out awesome. And what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. So if you like this video, once again, please like it, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and then that's all from me for today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!